How to recover TikTok messages that have been deleted. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily recover your deleted TikTok messages. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's begin. The first thing you want to do is open up your TikTok application and make sure that you are logged into your account and also the app is up to date. And once you have done all of that, you can head over to your inbox and here you can send any messages. But if you have deleted a message on your TikTok, then in that case, what you can do is request your data download. So for that, head over to your profile, tap on the three lines at the top right and head over to settings and privacy. Now you'll just have to scroll down a bit until you see your data, and you just have to head over to your accounts to get access to your data. So you have an option to download your data here. And here you will see if you want to download all of your data or select a specific type of data. So you can select a type of data that you want to download. Now click on custom. Now you can just choose the messages so that you can recover all of your deleted messages. Tap on done and now you can select your file format as TXT or JSON. Once that is done, you will see this big pink button to request data. So just tap on it. Now you'll see your request status right here. It will be pending for now. And once the request is available, you can directly click on this download button. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and I'll catch you guys on the next one.